Meet your new cold brew maker, the Baby Hardtank, 2021 SEA Best New Product Award winner. It's a fast cold brew maker, allowing you to extract 4 liters of beverage out of coffee, tea, herbs or spirits in below 1 hour. And that includes the automated cleaning cycles. Hardtank is designed for coffee shops, bars, restaurants or for domestic users. It has a small footprint, it's versatile and easy to use. You can control it from the built-in touchscreen or from the remote access mobile app. You can set different recipes, save them and restore whenever switching between different types of beverages. Cold brew beverage can be pumped out from the transparent extraction chamber to the under-counter keg so it can be infused with nitrogen and create delicious and creamy nitro cold brew. Baby Hardtank utilizes a patented Hardtank technology, so you can extract your cold brew quickly, easily and consistently.